know there's an enormous appetite to discuss how the participants here can help each other. How can a company find a university or a research and technology organization that can help them with the new technology they need for these future solutions? We expect them to match up here, and we help them meet each other so we have the right match. And we also give an opportunity for the armed forces and their procurement agencies to see what's in the market, which trends do we see in solutions and technology. So it's a great big marketplace where everybody can see what's going on in the broad defense ecosystem. So that's what we expect that people will take away from here, is to fully understand the potential and opportunities in the defense industrial ecosystem.
This is the yearly DDAC, where the industry of aerospace and defense gets together in Denmark. It's bigger than ever here in Aalborg, and to Therma it is a very important event. We are here with a big team, so both to take part of the conference, but also to talk with other companies and partners. So it is one of the times of the year where you gather together in the industry.
The agreement signed today is historic. It underlines the close relationship between US and Denmark, and it gives an opportunity for Danish industry to provide supplies and security of supply to US, and in turn, of course, gives Denmark opportunities to cooperate and get supplies directly from the US.